this shit up. Turn it up.
Hi everyone, it's Artist from Carmen. Just another on the job. So Ben is starting painting. You can see, getting prepared. So we've got a sink in, working on dishwasher, getting those things sorted. These doors are done as well. They're here, getting prepared. So my next job is really concentrating on this bar area, which I am doing it now. If I go through, so that's going to be solid walnut, as you can see. Unfortunately, they weren't made the same thickness, so that's a bit of pain. Now I got to use pellet sander to get it flat. I find that's the easiest way of doing it. A little bit of plane and then pellet sander over it. So these are the bits. I need to sand down. That's the big tabletop, which I'm gonna have to sand down as well. We're also gonna put a mitre on end, which is gonna face the room. So it will basically mimic the mitres we got elsewhere on our doors and stuff. So hope you're enjoying it, and we'll catch you in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Arts from Karen, just an update on the job. You're gonna see here we got a bar finally on. So what we got left is fix it in position, and then we need to clad these areas in walnut. As we were gonna do. So I thought I'd give you an update. So kitchen is nearly finished itself. It's got a few coats here to finish off, and drawer fronts because they weren't built. Areas like a wall to paint, so the fridge can go in, etc. But that will be probably done once the stone's been fitted, because just in case if any making good needs to be done. So yeah, we basically done here. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Artist from Mankind. Just an update on the job. As you can see, we're nearly done with the kitchen. So painters need to do a few more coats on that.
Throughout.
Also, we've got little things to finish here. So a couple more coats and it will be done, so I'll keep you updated and we'll catch up with you next video. Hi everyone, it's Artist from Mankind. Just an update on the job. So we're pretty much done. Decorator's got, I think, another coat to do. That stone also needs replacing. I think there's a chip, so that's gonna come. So we're not gonna be here when they do that. But you can see what we have done. The people are already using it. So that's how it is. So this is the bar. Built. That is solid walnut. That is walnut veneer. We've done that in walnut veneer. Same as all the end panels and everything else. So all handless. So this is the utility room which we done. Well, it's probably more storage and that sort of stuff. Also, it's gonna house the wine cooler because we didn't have space in the kitchen. So this is gonna be used sort of little utility if you like. And there's some filters for water, etc. So yeah, the drawers. So this kitchen mainly has drawers because they actually can take a lot more than if you would have a shelves. So yeah, but this is how it looks.